Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. Make sure to subscribe down below. So in today's video, I'm doing this makeup look inspired by Makeup by Alina on Instagram, and I'm using the James Charles and Morphe palette. Now this is not a review or anything like that. I just got this palette for Christmas as a Christmas gift. My beautiful friend Brittany gave it to me, and I just wanted to create a look using it on my channel, because this palette is it's stunning. I'm not the biggest James Charles fan, to be completely honest, but you gotta give it to this palette. It's beautiful. Like, if you could only use one palette for the rest of your life, I would probably recommend this one, because here you have color and you have your neutrals. So it's perfect for an everyday look or for a fun, colorful look like today's look. This palette is crazy pigmented. The colors blend so nicely, and I just really love it, and I've been enjoying using it, so I would definitely recommend it to you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look and how I use this palette today, make sure to keep on watching. Do you guys get random hives in your face? Because like, I always get random hives on my face for no reason, and I'm getting one right here and it's itchy. All right, so it's time to use this bad boy. This is not my first time using it, but this is my first time using it on camera. And I'm so excited to share this palette with you guys, because this palette is dope. So I'm going to start off with this blue right here. This is going to be my transition shade. Well, I notice all these blues here on camera look the same, but I promise you they're not. This is the lightest one, and this is going to be my transition shade. Look at how pigmented this shadow is. Insane. Guys, oh my gosh. Look at these eyes. Look at how pigmented this blue is. That is crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna use this blue right here, and I'm gonna mix it in with some black, and we're gonna apply that underneath the transition shade. Wow, you guys, I just realized that right here it says unleash your inner artist. I'm stupid. So this is what we were looking like. The black and the deeper blue just added more definition. Now we're going to be cutting the crease. We're going to do a half cut crease. Alright, so now on top of that crease we just cut, I'm going to apply this white shade. Now, right around here, I'm going to be applying the light blue that we used as a transition shade. Now we're going to go back in with that deeper blue and the black we used to deepen up the entire look on the outer corners, just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. So this is what we're looking like. You should have it like a nice little gradient effect. This is so pretty. I'm about to add some glitter, but low-key I don't even want to. So the glitter that I'm going to be using is called Elsa by Violet Voss, and it's so pretty. It's like blue but with white in it. It's so nice, and it actually reminds me of Elsa from Frozen. I'm gonna apply these snowflakes that I got from Target. I'm thinking maybe I'll apply them like here. I don't know, we'll see. You guys, look how cute these are. Oh, I put some lash glue on them. Alright, so I applied one right here. I'm gonna give it time to dry and see how it looks. Guys, actually I reapplied it on this side, but I used glitter glue instead of lash glue, and I like it better on this side, so I'm gonna do the same thing here. And I think this is all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna add any more, because I feel like if I do, this could go wrong really easily. So for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick in the shade Natural Beige 407. Can you guys believe that next month it'll be a year since I started YouTube? I honestly can't believe it. It went by like way too fast. I will admit it has been one of the best decisions I've ever made. I really enjoy being on YouTube. Oh my gosh, you know what I just remembered? You guys remember that video from like years ago where it was like, do you like me? Am I pretty now? With that girl like applying tons of makeup on her face, but like in a crazy manner. Wow, those were simpler times. I don't know why I'm looking ghostly today. Maybe it's because I'm tired. My skin's been looking dull. Usually this foundation does not look that ghostly on me. So I'm gonna go with the foundation concealer. With the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 280. I'm still testing this out, so bear with me, y'all. Alright, so it's time to set, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Banana Setting Powder. I'm not going to bake my under eyes, I'm just gonna set them and see if that makes a difference, because last time I baked under my eyes with this powder and it was a dry ass mess. So my under eyes look 1,000 times better than they did last time. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust the rest of my face with this powder. So now we're just gonna finish off the eyes, and I'm gonna use these this NYX white retractable liner on my lower lash line. Alright, so I mixed that deeper blue and the black together, and now I'm gonna line underneath that white liner. I'm gonna bring that till right about here, the middle of my eye. So underneath that, I'm gonna apply the light blue we use as our transition shade. Alright, so now to bronze, I'm using my NYX Medium Matte Bronzer. Alright, so now for blush, I'm using the Tarte's Pro and Glow blush palette, and I'm gonna use this blush right here. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using Vanilla Quartz by Becca. To finish off my face, I'm going over it with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Medium Tan. Now, if this look wasn't extra enough, I have some snowflakes that I got from Dollar Tree, and I really want to put them on my face. So that's what we're gonna do now. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this blue one like to the center of my forehead. And what I like about these is that they're sticky, like they bring their own sticker. How cute! Like, I look like I have superpowers and they're gonna activate if I touch my forehead. Alright, so I'm gonna put the silver one right about here. So this is as symmetrical as these two are gonna get. Now I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Trendsetter Liquid Lipstick, and we're done. So that is it for this tutorial, you guys. Leave me some video recommendations down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.